You can get a lot of money, guys, if you follow this strategy. It's a nice and easy strategy, and it have made me a lot of money, guys. Just take a look at this amount. This is only from the last week. So right now, I'm gonna show you how you can do it as well. So hit that subscribe and let's go and do it. There are, of course, many ways in which you can make money online. People have made a lot of money online. I have made a lot of money online, and now it is the time for you to make that money. And you can make a lot of money, guys, if you just invest a bit of your time into some research, okay? Go around, search for websites, or just take a look at this video, guys. I will lay out this strategy, which is gonna get you a lot of money, guys. So for example, you can just join moreniche.com, where you can join the #1 health affiliate network. These guys have paid out a lot of money, guys. Just take a look at this. 56 million has been paid out in commissions since 2002. And 2002 is telling us something. This is telling us that these guys have been around for 20 years now. And that speaks for itself, guys. They're popular, they have experience, they know what they're doing. They're getting you money, okay? More conversions, more commissions, more niche, okay? And of course, you can do this in whichever niche you want, guys. Some protein powders, maybe some creams, sunscreens, whatever. You have some testimonials. Everything can make you money, guys. You name it. There's money in it, okay? Internet is a world place. It's a crazy place as well, and there's a lot of money in here. So just click on affiliates, and then you can enjoy these 40% commissions, okay? Now, that's only one side. Of course, you can use Digistore24, which is also really good website for affiliating, okay? There's a lot of money in here. You could, of course, use clickbank.com, which is also one way to get some money, guys. There's a lot of money on ClickBank as well. And of course, both of these, 3 of these actually work all around the world. So whether you live in Nigeria, whether you live in India, wherever, guys, Europe, wherever, guys, you can get that money. And there can be a lot of money. Depends on you. The more time you invest in this, the more money you will get, guys. So do you have time? Write me down in the comments. Maybe I can make some specific videos based on your own region. Just write me that down so we can all make money, right? Now let me use Digistore24 for today's example, okay? I like Digistore24, and this is one of the reasons why. 4.7 on Trustpilot, guys. That's really something. There are a lot of reviews, and there are a lot of these good comments, okay? People really love this website, guys. Quick and to the point. People really make a lot of money on this website, and now is the time that you do it as well. Let me show you how. First of all, of course, register. You can profit from this one. Just click on affiliate, guys, and then you can enjoy. Just take a look at this. Commissions up to 85%. Now, that is a huge amount of money if you ask me, guys. 85%. So maybe you sell some product which is like $100. Well, you get $85 for yourself per each sale. That's some nice money, guys, and they have weekly payouts, always in time. I have never waited for Digistore24 to give me money. That's what I like about them, okay? A lot of money, and it is coming fast. Of course, it is affiliate marketplace with access to high converting offers. You will convert as much as you can, guys, so make yourself an account, click on login then, and of course, hit that subscribe button to our channel. Thank you. Now, as soon as you log in, click on marketplace, guys, and on this left-hand side here, you can find a lot of these categories. As I've told you, whichever category you choose, you just have to stick to it, and then the money is gonna come. For example, you just follow your passion, okay? You wanna involve yourself into some animals and pets? Choose that, guys. You wanna involve yourself into some dance and music? Choose that. You wanna go family and kids? Take it. Fashion, fitness and health, food and drinks, games and fun, whatever you choose, guys. Whatever you want. Social media, software, whatever. Just choose a product. For example, this one, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. I'm gonna do it with this one. Just copy this link, and now we have to get the traffic. Traffic is gonna make us money, guys. And just take a look at this. You're gonna get 27 bucks per each one of those sales. So just imagine, guys, you get 27 bucks, and if only 10 people buy that product, that's already 270 bucks. That is the money for you, guys. So just copy this link, and now let's go and see what are the ways in which we can get some traffic for it so we can sell it. First of all, of course, you can always use Instagram. If you don't have any high following on Instagram, don't you worry, guys. You don't need a lot, okay? I'm gonna show you how. Instagram is really good, and you can see that SimilarWeb says that Instagram.com has 6.6 billion total visits per month, guys. That's a lot of traffic. Each month, 6.6 billion, guys, and it's growing. Just take a look. It was 6.3, now it is 6.6, and the majority of it is coming from the United States, and that's what we need, okay? Next thing that you can use is Pinterest.com, and it's also a nice traffic source, a little bit worse than Instagram, because as you can see, Pinterest.com has only 1 billion total visits, but I mean, it is not only, it is 1 billion people, guys, each month gathering here, and it is really good. It is really good. Pinterest is amazing. And let's say, for example, that you want to use, I don't know, maybe we try with Instagram. Go to Canva.com, and all that you have to do is you have to make those posts, okay? So you can just type in here Instagram posts, and of course, just take a look at this. Canva.com will give you a lot of these templates. So I don't know, maybe you are in that fitness niche, and we have told you that, guys, you can choose this one. Just take a look at this one. This is an awesome post on Instagram, okay? This one can get you a lot of traffic, it can get you a lot of those clicks, and of course, you will just have to make some hashtags, and of course, you will have to put your destination link. And of course, you can always change whatever you want to do in here, guys. You can change this logo name, you can do a bit of a research on that product that you're affiliating for. Just click on here, and then just get some information from the website that they have, and then you can input all of that into this post, okay? That's gonna be professional. And guys, if you need some helps with hashtags, you can just type this in your Google search bar, okay? So Systrix generator hashtag, you can just type that in, and you can just click on here, okay? Systrix is gonna make you a lot of those hashtags. So for example, I don't know, since we are in fitness niche, you can just type in fitness. I'm sorry, I made a mistake in here, so just take a look at fitness, and then it is gonna give you all these hashtags which are related to fitness, okay? So motivation, workout, bodybuilding, muscle, healthy health, whatever, guys, whichever niche you have, this Systrix tool will help you, okay? Just use it, okay? It's free. You will get a lot of those hashtags, and that will get you that traffic, okay? Or maybe if you are not satisfied with the amount of traffic that you lead on your Instagram page, you can, for example, use shoutcard.com, and here you have to invest a bit of your money, okay? So I suggest that you make some money elsewhere, and then you reinvest it if you are serious enough, because without investment, nothing is gonna work as it should be, okay? You have to invest a little bit, but of course, guys, this is not so expensive. This shout card is a really good option. This is getting you real influencers to like your posts, to share your posts, and to make a lot of traffic on your links, okay? You can see featured influencers, guys, Ludacris, Akon. These people really can get you a lot of traffic. So all that you have to do, guys, is to take some action, and I will catch you